Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Excel styles. Excel styles could be a great time saver if you know how to use them. Excel style is like a basket of formatting which you can use and apply wherever you need on your worksheet. The main idea of using style is that you can keep your formatting separate from the content of your cell. Excel style contains fonts, colors, background, numbers formatting, and many more. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Excel styles, how to create them, and how to build in Excel style. You can also create your own style from scratch. It's not a big deal, right? But before we get started, this is the first time on my channel and let's be in Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorial. Consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So let's jump into Microsoft Excel and learn how to use, create, and modify Excel styles. Hey guys, welcome back from the short break. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have my worksheet already created. So don't worry about this worksheet. We're not going against any data rule. These are just numbers I came up with myself. So you can see this worksheet is sorted by department. Let's assume I want to make a particular department more catchy to the eye when I submit this to me, because that's where Excel styles come in and work for me. So I just select this graphics department. I'll come to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. I'll come under Styles. And I take this drop down menu. I have a whole lot of different stuff I can apply. Let me just choose this accent table because it kind of go in line formatting up here. I just click here to say that you see, wow, simple, so fast, super easy. When I submit this, someone can easily see this. Okay, the eye cover goes straight to that place. I can also format number with Excel styles. Let me just come to Shift and arrow down to select. So last go to kind of this one for faster. And I come to the styles. You can see here we have number format. We have different options. I'll just go with this currency. Take away my decimal places and apply the dollars. Don't worry about the dollars because I'm in Nigeria. I just like dollars. I don't notice this. Dollars kind of make me feel somehow. So that's also, you see, super fast, super easy. That's how to apply what Excel style. You can also modify the style to your own taste, your own colors, your own preference. Next, as we have a company that has a particular color logo, a company logo, a color. You can easily make your styles in line with that. So let's assume I select this. First I have to select where I've applied my Excel style. And I click, I see here is kind of highlighted, and I right click, I have modify. If I can modify it, then this style dialog box pops up. But you can also get straight to this with the shortcut. Then I click Alt, the semicolon on my keyboard. You see, it pops up automatically. So you can see this particular cell is contained with fonts and fields. So the numbers is not there, alignment is not there. When I click on format, I can see here is what is highlighted. That means I can't format it because it is built in there. I didn't create this. If I created this, I can easily edit that cell. And I click on format, you see the format cell dialog box pops up. You can see the sample, it goes in line with this. I can change the fonts, I can change the field. Don't worry, let's leave this. Let me now show you how to create style from scratch. Let's come to this cells. What I always want to create styles, I must have format this particular cell with, maybe I'll just choose this color here. Just change the font to white. Then I can now go to Excel styles and click on new styles. You can see the cell. This is what the cell is containing: numbers, alignment, fonts, borders. Let me just display because it's not containing numbers. Let me name this Sheriff style. Sheriff style. Then I click on formats. Then let me just change the field. Let me choose something I can like that. Let me change the font also. Let me just choose Arial and then I think I'm okay with that. Field just for the sake of it. I click on OK and see OK. It will apply it immediately. They have to come back here and see custom style, sheriff style. When I click that, you see it applies it for me. So that's great styles I want to apply. I can even apply it all over what I was seeing. When I tag a particular, let me tag this final also with sheriff style. Let's say I make a modification to the style. I click and modify it. So every cell that I've tagged with this particular style will change. Let me just say I change the I click on OK. You see it automatically applies it to the style. So with Excel style, what you can make a particular portion of your worksheet or cell, catch it to the right and easily formatted. Like it's a quick way of formatting things. You can also format this cell with sheriff style. You see, let me just change the font of the I like that white. You are good with me. I can come here, change it to black also. Kind of cool. You agree with me. So basically that also apply Excel style and create one. Let me show you a quick something. When I click on this header, this page header, I can come to this heading here and choose anyone I like. Let me just go for the heading 3. And when I click that, you can see it's affected this. Let me choose this heading 1. So it's really big, too big. You don't like that? You just click this heading 3. Kind of small, cool, and okay. Cool. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this tutorial was helpful and you found value in this tutorial, consider giving it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this tutorial in the comment section. You can tell me if you are going to apply these styles in your worksheet today, someday, or any day you want to have it. And you are in the hurry, to make a quick formatting and submit the worksheet to a boss, to a client, maybe on the freelance website that you work, like I also did. So it's a cool way to submit, but to quickly format your worksheets. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. I always try my possible best to drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.